Good morning, viewers. Today is a very monumental day in the history of the nation. The Indian Air Force receives five aircrafts of Rafale, and the balance 31 aircrafts will follow suit. It is a message to the world on our capability building. The Air Force is slowly on its way to make up its deficiency of 10 squadrons. Two squadrons of Rafale, six squadrons of Tejas, and two squadrons of MiG 29 are on the way. So, our adversaries, please take a note of this that very shortly the Indian Air Force will be a potent force to take on a two-front war. The Rafale is a fourth generation aircraft, which is a single seater, twin engine, and has the capability and the radius of action to reach up to Beijing as well as Islamabad. This kind of capability was not existing earlier with the Indian Air Force. Secondly, the kind of weapon platform it has, it has a Meteor missile, which is a A-to-A missile, which can tackle up to 150 kilometers away. It has a Scalp missile, which has a capability to hit targets up to 300 kilometers away, and it has the Hammer laser guided system, which is effective up to 60 kilometers for tactical targets. Tanks which are moving on the reverse slope of mountains, bunkers, hideouts of the terrorists can easily be targeted by the Hammer missile system. The aircraft also has an excellent early warning system. It has an array radar fitted with it, which has a range of up to 350 kilometers. So it can detect any kind of threat up to a distance of 350 kilometers. It's a stealth fighter where the enemy will not even come to know, because the enemy's early warning systems will be jammed by the technology which the aircraft has. And all to all, a great technology platform to have with the country now. And I'm sure with the acquisition of the Rafale, it will be a game changer for the Indian subcontinent and especially India. Jai Hind.